Welcome to our Rolling Strong video library, a series designed to help you maintain a better life on the road.
Coach Tanya here for Rolling Strong. The Rolling Strong Wellness platform focuses on 5 pillars of health and wellness: sleep, fitness, nutrition, hydration, and mental well-being. And all 5 are aimed at helping you create a healthy lifestyle while gathering points to earn rewards at the same time. In this video, I'm going to share 3 easy ways to use the Rolling Strong application to gain competition points while also increasing your awareness surrounding 3 of these pillars of health as they relate to safety. One of the easiest ways to gather points each day is monitoring your water intake. And one of the most important pillars of health and safety is proper hydration. Being improperly hydrated can cause your blood pressure to elevate, which can result in a headache. Lacking proper hydration can also cause you to feel hungry, which can lead to increased snacking and calorie intake. But most importantly, improper hydration contributes to unclear thinking, an inability to focus, mood changes, and fatigue. These are not the symptoms we want you to experience when you are behind the wheel, trying to communicate effectively, or managing materials. Because of these important health and safety implications, we encourage you to monitor and record your water intake every day. A good rule of thumb is to consume half of your body weight in ounces of water each day. The application will help you do just that. If you have a high caffeine intake or perspiration rate, you will likely need to consume even more. The color of your urine will help you know if you are properly hydrated or not. The lighter the color, the better your hydration. To log your water intake, simply log into the Rolling Strong application, click the Hydrate button, then use the plus sign to add each 8-ounce cup of water you consume. The closer you are to your recommended intake, the more points you score and the safer you are at your job. Another easy way to accumulate points each day is keeping track of your sleep. Sleep is another important pillar for health and safety. Quality, restful sleep is critical for good health because sleep is when the body heals and repairs itself, both physically and mentally. Inadequate quality sleep over a lengthy period can negatively contribute to disease management efforts for medical conditions such as heart disease, diabetes, and high blood pressure. When nighttime sleep is interrupted, daytime alertness and performance are affected and diminished as well. Because of these important health and safety implications, we encourage you to monitor and record your hours of sleep every day and take note of how you feel in relationship to the sleep you received. You can also connect a wearable device to help you gain additional information regarding your quality of sleep as well. To log hours of sleep, simply log into the Rolling Strong application, click the Sleep button, connect a wearable device, or manually enter the number of hours of sleep you received for the day. You receive points for getting 6 to 10 hours of sleep, and if you connect a wearable, you earn even more. A third way to accumulate points each day is taking note of your mental well-being. Mental well-being is a third pillar of health for safety because to work safely, you need to be mindful about what you are doing and present in the moment. There is an often quoted proverb that states, "Be careful of your thoughts, for your thoughts become your words. Be careful of your words, for your words become your actions. Be careful of your actions, for your actions become your habits. Be careful of your habits, for your habits become your character. Be careful of your character, for your character becomes your destiny." Thoughts become words, become actions, and understanding this process is part of becoming mindfully aware. When you are mindfully aware of what you feel and able to think clearly, you are safer while doing your job. To earn points for well-being activities, log into the Rolling Strong application, click on the Wellbeing button, click on the Daily Motivation button, Read the daily motivation of the day and take a few minutes to reflect on what it means to you and how you can apply it to your day to improve your thoughts, words, and actions. Then answer the "How are you feeling today?" question by selecting the appropriate emoji. Before you click submit, take a moment to consider why you are feeling that way. What do you need to think about to sustain a happy or excited mood? What do you need to change or do differently to manage an angry, worried, or sad mood? Increasing your mindful awareness regarding your daily mental and emotional well-being is an excellent step toward improving your safety through increased awareness while earning 10 points at the same time. So there you have it. 3 easy ways each day to focus on health for safety and earn competition points using the Rolling Strong application. If you like this video, subscribe to the channel for more great information and be sure to tap the bell so you get notified when the videos are released. Until next time, be well and roll strong.
Look to more Rolling Strong videos providing insights and tips dedicated to a healthier life on the road.